everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. Everybody's having a great day. It's pretty sunny here in BC today, and I hope everybody's staying safe during the lockdown. Real fun. So I thought that I would put a little video together, fairly quick, regarding my Chanel holiday collection from 2020, and I'm going to throw in a couple of Chanel items that I already have, just to see maybe how it looks on different people, just to make it seem so fabulous as it is. It's the chain collection, and so let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so the first item I'm going to try is the blush, and I think this says $5.70. It's the only one in the collection, but it comes in a really pretty box as usual. It's only from Chanel. And if you'd be so kind as to subscribe to my channel, that would be wonderful, because when I reach 500, I'm going to be doing a fabulous giveaway, and you really don't want to miss out. And make sure you hit the bell so you're notified every time I upload videos. Alright, and they come in a dust cover. And the compact looks like that. And it comes with the brush, which is pretty cool. Don't count these out. These work out really good. You don't have to have, you know, $100 brushes to make this work for you. All right, and it's kind of like a bronzy, reddy. It's real pretty. All right, so let's use the brush. Pretty cool. All right. And it goes on pretty sheer. It's not as red as you think, so don't panic. All right, that just kind of gives you a little bit of a glow. And the brush works pretty good too, so yeah, it's pretty cool. And another little tip too, this is a cover on top of here. So I was trying to find out where the blush was, but it was underneath here, so duh. And then the brush goes on top. Alright, so that's the first item there. And I'll leave all the information below as well. It's still available, so it is limited edition, so make sure that if you see anything that you like, you need to get it, because it goes really fast. There's a lot of people that already have the collection. So, alright, this is like a gold, like a liquid gold type of thing. It comes in with a little applicator like this. It's pretty cool. Comes in a plastic. It looks like that. And you don't have to use a lot either. Alright, just kind of get it on the brush there. And I'm going to put this at the bottom. Alright, that goes on pretty good. This gives you a little bit of shine. You can wear this every day. You don't have to only wear this for parties or nighttime. You can wear this all the time. It's not really that blingy, but it's pretty shiny. Alright, we'll go ahead and do that. Now this is not part of the collection, this is just something that I had. So you can mix and match, fairly simple. If you have other things from Chanel, mix them in. Alright, and then this is the Ombre 925, or called BLANC. And I'm going to put this at the top, basically. Alright, the dust cover, CC, packaging in the compact, and you just push it, and they all have mirrors. Alright, this one has a little cover on it, and I'm going to use the applicator that came with it. That works perfectly fine. And this is the color. Okay, it's pretty nice. All Chanel products are nice. Never thought that I would have a Chanel bag, and I never thought that I would be wearing Chanel makeup. So this is pretty cool for me. Pretty excited. Okay, that looks pretty good actually. So that's a nice color combo. It's not too much, but it's kind of like enough. Yeah, and just put a little bit up on the top there. Kind of blend it in a little bit. And you don't need a lot. Put a little bit up here. Okay, how's that look so far? Yeah, not too bad. Alright, let's put a little bit more on the bottom. Alright, it comes in a pot like that, which is kind of cool. Alright, you have to kind of judge because Chanel's makeup is really sheer, so you may have to apply a few times. Yeah, that looks a little better. And it does blend really nice too. Yep, and these applicators that come with it, they're perfectly fine. That's what I would use actually, just to make it easier. Alright, and then we have our waterproof eyeliner. And let's see what number this one is. This is 951. Everything has a number. And this is in the KIAKI Intense. 951, and this is what I had in my collection. And this is like a dark black, basically. Yeah, that goes on really good. Okay, that's pretty good. Couple of swipes and you got it. And then I went with the lipstick. I went with the 127, the Rouge, Allure. So I guess you gotta talk fancy when you have Chanel. Alright, yeah, beautiful. Look at this. Wow. Whew. It's tricky. You have to pop it open to get it open. Wow, really nice. And then it comes like that. So this whole thing fits this little thing right here, just so you kind of know. But just this is gorgeous. What do you guys think? Do you guys have any Chanel products? Let me know in the comments below. It's a red. I've never used red. And if you watch B. Rachel's holiday video, I'll link her information below. She's first time using red as well, so I haven't used red either, so this is the first time for me, so let's see how it goes. Wow, that's pretty. No lip liner. Just going freestyle. Wow, look at this. Pretty intense. Yeah, but I like it. Yeah, I didn't think I was gonna like it, but wow, that's really gorgeous. Can you imagine a bag in that color? Oh my gosh. Wow, that's really cool. But I would probably wouldn't go freestyle on it. I probably would do a lip liner too, because if you don't know how to put on makeup, like I really don't know how to put on makeup, you need a lot of help, basically. If you don't have your own personal makeup artist. So let's put a little lip liner. Yeah, there we go. It finishes it off. Yeah, that's a little bit better. Alright. And then let's go ahead and use our Chanel No. 5 sample that they give you, that you can pick. It's pretty cool. And that's a lot of perfume there, basically. So that's nice. And you don't have to use a lot of this either. Woo! Chanel No. 5. I love it. And then I did pick up the Longwear Net Lacquer, Nail Lacquer. And that one is in the 773, which is, it's the only one, basically. Alright, and it's the gold, which is really pretty. And I'll go ahead and swatch it on my finger so you get an idea what it looks like. But it is gorgeous. Alright. And it goes on pretty smooth as well. And that's what the gold looks like. Alright, so that's a finished look for today. I hope everybody's staying safe, enjoying their cup of joe, as we used to call it in the olden days. Now they call it cafe, so I guess we'll call it cafe because we're dealing with Chanel. So, alright, well, I hope everybody's having a great day, and until next time, thanks for watching Susan from Senior Style from a senior point of view, and have a wonderful day. Bye, guys.